Everybody, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Want to talk about winterizing? Seth's flashing me with my flashlight right now. And a couple things you can do to make your life a little bit easier to allow you to be able to do more things at once. Depending on how you have your system set up, if you've got a buffer tank, you're going to have at least 2, if not 3 different areas that are going to need to be winterized, or at the very least all the air or all the water taken out of them. So first part is this little doohickey that we've made here. Be nice if this was brass, but whatever. So what we've got here is that this portion would go into the female receiver of our garden hose for our supply line. Then it goes down to, this is 1/2 inch female. We got a 1/2 inch male to 1/4 inch reducer bushing. That's all that is. It was like, I think all said and done, these 2 components were about $9 or $10. And then you should have a bunch of these. Now you could do, this piece could be a reducer instead of a bushing, going from the 3/8 to 1/4, and then just using one of these bad boys. Really doesn't matter. Or most times, if you buy one of those multi-kits, you'll get just another piece that I could throw in there if I didn't have this. Ideal situation though, I mean, you want to have as few components. It's less likely to leak or have any other issues. But so once I've got this together, I just hook up my air compressor on there, run it, and I mean, you can let it run for a couple minutes. A couple years ago, I thought it was kind of overkill when you could just literally take the blowgun, shove it in there, and spray. And that would clear out your lines. Now I'm realizing that with a whole lot more hose, I've got 200 to 300 feet of supply hose on both reels. Right now we've even got it set up, and I'll show you this other piece. Same start. Now instead of going down to 1/4, this is 3/8. What we're doing right now, and this is just a good little component, if it ever happens that you need to wind up some hose that's different on the same reel. So for us right now, we're actually running our, I'll take this, will go into the end of the supply hose, and then this will actually reduce and gets connected onto the fittings on our soft wash hose. Oh no, you took off the, oh goodness. We'll fix it later. Okay. But we're basically connecting our hose, our garden hose reel, to our soft wash hose. And eventually it's all going to be garden hose fittings anyways. I really like what Tim Asselton has been showing with his rig, and it simplifies a lot of things there. But for right now, I'll basically end up just putting a quick connect on here, and then that will actually end up just receiving onto the connection that we have on our garden hose. Or on the supply hose, and then we can just reel the whole thing up, because the 2 reels that we've got on there can both hold about 700 feet of hose. So, and then I've got to get the Hannay reel up and running. But anyways, that's just some quick ways that you can simplify a lot of stuff as far as being able to blow out hoses and things. Yeah, see, I got a little muffler burn. But yeah, just something to make it easier to winterize. Reduce the amount of cold water that you get spraying on yourself. And then again, as far as the actual pump itself, you do want to run, even if it's just a cup of antifreeze, just enough so that it gets sucked in the inlet and comes out the outlet. We'll also have all of our unloaders will be quick connected as far as the bypass lines. So we'll just undo that at night. So it's basically like 3 or 4 quick connects. You're done. We disconnect the jumper hose, so that way we run the pressure washer with the antifreeze, that shoots that through, and then we're pretty much done. So anyways, guys, have a great day. I guess today's video would count as day 17, power washing full time. So have a great day.